back to my channel. Today I am doing my first ever slime shop restocking video on this channel, my main channel, because I was just like, honestly was like, why not? This is a Valentine's Day themed restock video, so if that excites you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more restock videos. I restock every Sunday. I know, right? A commitment. Big deal. Every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to go buy slime from me, Sundays at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, but I thought I would just do a little restocking video because I have never ever done one before. So I just thought, why not do it, because you guys are the best ever. By the way, my slime Instagram is Slimebyjacklyne if you ever want to figure out like when I'm restocking, what I'm restocking, if I'm late. Go follow me on Instagram at nicholejacklyne and at Slimebyjacklyne. So, without further ado, let's hop into this restocking video. This first slime in my shop is called Cupid Crush, and it actually smells like the Abercrombie & Fitch scent of a hot guy, according to justscent.com, and it honestly smells super good, and it's like a very nice creamy thick slime. It has a tiny bit of Daiso, but it primarily has like lotion and a little bit of cornstarch inside of it, but it is so nice, very thick. The scent is kind of strong, but it does smell very good to me. If you like Abercrombie & Fitch, this is your slime. This slime has to be one of my all-time favorite slimes ever. This is called Candy Crush Tart. It is blue, it is scented like Candy Crush, it is extremely glossy. If you follow my slime Instagram, Slimebyjacklyne, I was like obsessed. I posted the actual giant vat I made of this slime for an Instagram video, and it's just so good. I cannot get over it. It's super glossy. It is so shiny and amazing. It has bubbles. I love how this slime has bubbles on top of it when it sets for a while. It's so pretty. This next slime is called Fruitcake Batter. It's scented like Fruity Pebbles, and it has a nice Daiso clay base. It is very thick. It is such a nice holdable slime. It definitely stays very well. This slime, when it is cold, it is very stiff. So when you buy this slime, or if you buy this slime and it arrives, let it hit room temperature before you play with it, because it is not the most moldable when it's cold, obviously. But it's such a nice slime. It's very thick. If you like holdable slimes that don't melt in your hands too easily, this is your slime. It smells super good and I love it. All right, you guys, this slime is incredible. It literally smells just like brownie batter. This is an amazing scent. By the way, I get my scents from justscent.com. They are so incredible and so strong in a good way. Like, this smells just like brownies, and I made it so it's very glossy. It literally looks just like brownie batter. And the way that it even moves is just like the actual batter, so it's very realistic, not edible. Please do not eat slime. I know it smells so good and it's tempting, but don't do it. It is so nice, super glossy, so clicky. You guys, I am living for this slime. It is the best thing ever. You guys, I'm posting a video soon where I make this giant thing of slime. It's a Valentine's Day blindfolded slime challenge video. It's gonna be up, I think I'm posting it like next week sometime, but I made this exact slime in that video. So if you want to if you want to buy slime from one of my videos, here you go. It is such a nice, once again, it's thick, it's glossy, it holds very well, and it's just really pretty. It has a light foam base where it has red and white foam beads, very thin layer of foam, so it's very nice and holdable still, and I just love this one. Also, this slime smells just like Candy Crush. That's the scent, is called Candy Crush. It smells sweet and amazing. If you guys like thick slimes, this is the slime for you. This is a slime called Strawberry Cheesecake, and it is a cream cheese slime. Is that what it's called? Yeah. It has cornstarch in it, and it has lotion. I put a ton of cornstarch. It is such a nice slime. It's very thick. I love the way cornstarch feels in slime. It's super good. The scent is called Strawberry. This last slime was actually in one of my recent videos where I did the dollar store slime challenge, and I made this slime, and I asked you guys to help me name it and help me decide what scent to put inside of it. I decided to call it Purple Dollar because it is from the dollar store, and I added in the scent called Cashmere Glow. If you know the scent Cashmere Glow from Bath & Body Works, it smells just like that. It's a very light, it's a very sweet, honey, sugary scent. It's so nice. When you guys get this slime in the mail, you will notice that this the sand on the bottom has separated from the slime. All you have to do is mix it together. I promise you it mixes together. This slime is so jiggly too, and it gets very fluffy feeling when you play with it for a long time, but the way that the sand feels is so relaxing on your hands. Like, I cannot get over it. But yeah, it's such a nice slime. I think it's so pretty, so great. If I should do more restocking videos, comment down below that I should. And if you want me to do more restocking slime videos, subscribe down below to my channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs, my vlog channel. And my Etsy shop is etsy.com/shop/Slimebyjacklyne. The link is down below. Go buy before I sell out, because I posted this video kind of after I restocked, but I do restock every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to do one more Valentine's Day restock, maybe one or two more. So if you want to buy some Valentine's Day slime from me, that is awesome. And yeah, guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. And yeah, guys, bye.